Students, I welcome you to Eduno classes. I am Shubha Patel and I am here to take up your mathematical reasoning class. 1 plus tan square theta is equals to sec square theta, or you can write 1 is equals to sec square theta minus tan square theta. Both are the same thing. It's just matter of rearrangement. Okay, so I am taking the first thing. This is your identity, and now we will prove this identity. Fine. So tan theta is for this triangle ABC, where angle B is 90 degree and C is theta. For this triangle, tan theta is opposite side to base side. Opposite side to theta is AB. Base side to theta is BC. Square it. Tan square theta is AB square theta upon BC square theta. Now sec theta is 1 by cos theta. Cos theta is base side to hypotenuse. Base is BC and hypotenuse is AC. So BC upon AC. 1 upon BC upon AC. So AC will go up. AC upon BC. Agree? And then sec square theta squaring, we will get AC square upon BC square. Fine. Either you can write 1 plus tan square theta is equals to sec square theta, or you can write 1 is equals to sec square theta minus tan square theta. Let us subtract these two. Subtracting second from first. So we have sec square theta minus tan square theta is equals to AC square upon BC square minus AB square upon BC square. BC is the common LCM, so BC square is the common LCM. AC square minus AB square. Applying Pythagoras theorem on this triangle, we get AC square is AB square plus BC square. So AC minus AC square minus AB square is BC square. So this is what? BC square upon BC square is equals to 1. Fine. So sec square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. Or you can write sec square theta is equals to tan square theta plus 1. Either way, both the things are same. So this is what we have got, right? This is the identity and this is the proof. In your school exams, they can ask these kind of proofs. So you have to be through and clear with it. Fine. This is how we prove it. We do nothing. Just find the tan theta, make any triangle. What did I do? Made any triangle and clarified what is angle B, what is 90 degree and what theta we are talking about. And then whatever is given in the question, when we had sin theta plus sin square theta plus cos square theta, we found sin theta, we found cos theta, then we squared it, right? And then we applied Pythagoras theorem. This is what we did, right? In this also, we made this triangle, clarified all the points and angles, and then found tan theta, sec square theta, tan theta, sec theta, squared it to find tan square theta, sec square theta, and then applied PGT to get the answer, right? Now the third identity. The third identity is 1 plus cot square theta is equals to cosec square theta. What did we do? Make a triangle. Specify all the points. Specify all the angles. Now it is saying there are two trigonometric ratios in this we are talking about, cot and cosec. So let us find cot and cosec for this triangle and this angle theta. For this angle theta, cot theta is 1 upon tan theta and tan theta is opposite upon base, AB upon BC. and this is the reciprocal, so we'll have BC upon AB. Fine. Cot square theta will be BC square upon AB square. The other trigonometric ratio we are talking about is cosec theta. Cosec theta is 1 upon sin theta. Sin theta is opposite upon hypotenuse. Opposite is AB upon hypotenuse AC. It will become AC upon AB. Fine. Cosec square theta is AC square upon AB square. Now just write it like this. 1 plus cot square theta, we have BC square upon AB square. Fine. Go on to solve this. You will take AB as LCM and AB will get multiplied here. Fine. AB square plus BC square upon AB square. AB square plus BC square is AC square, Pythagoras theorem. Applying Pythagoras for this triangle, we will have AC square is AB square plus BC square. So this is AB square. Sorry. There's some mistake. AC upon AB, and then we have AB square, AB plus BC. Okay. Fine. So we have AB plus BC square. AB plus BC square gives hypotenuse square. So hypotenuse is AC square. And the LCM remains same. Now AC square upon AB square is cos square theta. So here we have cosec square theta, cosec square theta, and this was 1 plus cot square theta, right? BC by AB square is cot square theta, and then you solved it, you got AC by AB square, and AC by AB square is cosec square theta. So these are the three trigonometric identities that you must be remembering. It is very important. Okay? Before ending today's lecture, let's have a quick recap of these trigonometric identities. What was the first identity? It was concerning sine and cos. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Fine, this is your triangle A, B, C. Another identity was 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta. The other identity was reciprocal of tan, and when you see sec, you also see cosec. Tan, cotan. What is cot? The full form for tan is tangent. The full form of cot is cotangent. Full form of sec is secant. Full form of cosec is cosecant. Okay, so this becomes tan and cotan is represented as cot. Sec, cosec square theta, and we are talking about squares. This is how you can remember. We will apply these identities to solve difficult questions, and this is why identities are very important. Thank you students for watching our videos.